Aldabra. These are 4 low coral islands around a lagoon. So it's basically a lagoon with water in the middle, and then around of it a few islands. Very little. It has around 13 kilometers and 30 kilometers. So 15 and 35. And it is in the Indian Ocean. So there is India. And then here's Africa, and that island there's Madagascar. And a little north Madagascar. The little north west of the Maldives, or south of the Seychelles, or very much south of the Maldives, there is Aldabra. It belongs to the Seychelles there, also north of Madagascar. And there are turtles, tortoises, coconuts, wildlife. And that is according to the Reader's Digest Library of Modern Knowledge, Book 3, Part 22, The Regions of the Earth, on the page 1099. Hi, Rebecca. I'm trying to learn international studies today, Aldabra, and after we've done it, we're gonna do martial arts basics training. And if you participate in the martial arts basics training, then it's going to be honest. Aldabra. This group of 4 low coral islands around a lagoon lies in the Indian Ocean to the north of Madagascar. Formerly a British colonial possession, it became part of the independent Seychelles in 1976. Aldabra is famous for its giant tortoises and other wildlife, and is a source of coconuts and turtles. It has no permanent population, but a British scientific research station and a fishing station. On the map 1200 there's map. And it is there a little north of Madagascar. And part of the Seychelles. Now all the information in the book are from the 1970s, but I would say the part of the Seychelles is still, so I'm going to save it in our presentation. The Seychelles, where are they exactly? They are a little bit more north there. So the Maldives are south of India. The Chagos Archipelago, and then the Seychelles. And a little south of them is Aldabra, north of Madagascar, and northwest of Mauritius. Aldabra, these are 4 low coral islands around a lagoon in the Indian Ocean, north of Madagascar. And it is part of the Seychelles. And it has giant tortoises and other wildlife. Is a source of coconuts and turtles. Okay, there are tortoises and wildlife, coconuts and turtles. It has no permanent population. I think I'm going to stay with the books from the 70s. So is there still a British scientific research station? Aldabra. Okay, I'm going to stop the second camera. Aldabra. These are 4 low coral islands around a lagoon. So it's basically a lagoon with water in the middle, and then around of it a few islands. Very little. It has around 13 kilometers and 30 kilometers. So 15 and 35. And it is in the Indian Ocean. So there is India, and then here's Africa, and that island there's Madagascar. And a little north Madagascar. There, little north west of the Maldives, or south of the Seychelles, or very much south of the Maldives, there is Aldabra. It belongs to the Seychelles there, also north of Madagascar. And there are turtles, tortoises, coconuts, wildlife. And that is according to the Reader's Digest Library of Modern Knowledge, Book 3, Part 22, The Regions of the Earth, on the page 1099. I'm going to stop the camera. And that was the international studies part. If you were here for international studies, you can go directly to the next part of international studies, where we will continue with something in international studies. If you stay here and participate in the martial arts basics training, then it's better to be honest. And we're beginning with the mushroom for the legger. And the greeting mushroom for the winter. Aber and the crane taker for the ankle. Tail on in. Change. And the train stop, one leg to the side, point with the toes in front, stretch the inner side of the leg. And to the other side. And the mantis go from side to side. And back to it. And a few interchanged lunges in front of one leg, knee down. Left leg in front, right knee down. Right leg in front. And left leg, and two more. Right leg and left leg. Now the kicks. The shoulders not long. Knee up and back, 1, 2, 3, up and back, 1, 2, 3. One more. And now stretch kicks. Hand out, kick against it. 1, 2, 3. Hand out, kick against it. Now the frog. Knee up and back, up and in, up and back. One more. And Crescent kicks. Leg up, back, up and in, up and back. Two more. And now, lunge kicks. I'm going to kick close to the camera. Right leg in front, knee down, and kick. And left leg in front, knee down, and kick. And right leg in front, knee down, and kick. And left leg in front. And squat kicks. Squat down, and kick. Squat, and kick. You can do wider squats. And the hiking frog. Squat, left and kick. Squat, left and kick. And swing kicks. Swing. 1, 2, 3, swing. And now 12 push-ups. Hands underneath the shoulders, tuck the tailbone in, down, elbows close to the rib cage, and up. 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10, and the last to 11, and 12. And hiker sit-up stretch. One heel turn to the ground, pull the toes in. To the left, pull in. The right, pull in. Middle, move from left to right. Other heel to the ground, pull the toes in. To the right, pull in. Left, middle, from side to side. One knee again up. The other one. Take the leg at the ankle. Tuck the tailbone in. Change. Legs to the sides, squeezing it out. In and down. Out. Breathe in and close the legs. And breathe in out. It was the martial arts basics training. I thank you very much.